Alright, so today, bit of a change of car, switching it up. We're in the A3. If you guys haven't seen the A3 already, I've actually got it on TikTok. I was like cleaning it and stuff. But today we're in the A3. Full fresh list of mods to do to this car. And now we're not going too crazy on it. We're going to do a few little bits here and there though. For example, today we're going to be changing over this screen. This screen's ugly, I don't know why, who the hell puts in there. Doesn't run Android, doesn't run anything. Then I've got a radio in here. So yeah, the plan is to get rid of this, switch it out, put in a nice one. And I'll leave links down below for this unit as well. It's a really good one, but I'll leave that one down below. So yeah, today we're going to be changing over this screen on the car to an Apple CarPlay, Android Auto touchscreen, you know, like one of the good screens. Because someone's put some random one in here. Now, we might have a slight issue with this one. Hopefully this isn't a universal one, because if it is, someone's chopped into the wires. And if they chopped into the wires, I've got a big issue, man. I can't be asked to deal with the wiring loom again, but if I have to, I have to. I'm just hoping when I take this out, there isn't chopped up wires and so on. Because if there are, it's going to be a long time. But let's see how it goes. Let's get all this off, get the trim off, get that sorted. You guys know how these radio videos go. I'm going to leave links down below for all this stuff, the unit, everything I need to use, any extra things, like, you know, I add reverse cameras and this and that so on eventually. So we will probably be doing all that. But today we're going to be focusing on the screen and getting that out, switching it over. So yeah, let's get started. Alright, so I don't know which idiots put this in, but basically I need to somehow get this trim off. I'm just trying to wedge this in here because there's no proper way of getting these off. Okay, kind of easily. So just do that. Oh, so you've got a cage in here now. What the hell are they doing? I need to work this out, but I'll probably time lapse it because you guys won't have this. If you do, it shouldn't be that hard. I'll explain when I've done it. Alright, so a bit of a madness has happened. I literally had to break the car to get it out. It's mad. Like, I've been at this thing for about a good, how long now? I don't even know how long, but I've been at this thing for a good probably half an hour, 45 minutes, and I got fed up. I could tell what needed doing, I just couldn't see where to do it. Yeah, so I'll show you guys what I did. I didn't actually break the car. I broke the, I didn't break anything basically. Like, I'll show you. So you see here, I'm not gonna push back in. The radio was sitting. I think basically you saw how the radio was sitting in here. I had to break off these edges to access, get a bit more like a leverage on the sides. I had to break these little plastic bits off. Basically the fascia I had to break. I had to break the fascia, so this radio still works completely fine. No, there's not a single scratch on this thing, but I had to mangle the fascia, so it doesn't matter because whoever buys it next, you can go in any car anyway. But yeah, this is what I had to do to get it out, and now it's finally out. I've got all the wiring back here. I need to make sure it's all proper and not been mangled, and then we can start looking at the next unit. So yeah, let's go. Alright, so that's the older unit out. It's looking like, look, you've got the main harness, you've got your cables there. Nothing looks cut, so luckily we can get away with it. Don't need to chop into wires and so on. So this is the older unit. If someone wants to buy it, just let me know. It's all mint condition. Just haven't got the fascia for it, so you can put it for any car. Like, you just gotta buy the fascia for whichever car for like 20 quid, or probably less than that. And you got a full-on radio, all the cables there, even a connects two-piece a part of the back of this. I'll leave a link down below if you guys are interested in this that connects to. They're actually quite expensive, they are. So yeah. Otherwise, a mint condition radio. I'm just switching it out because I like using the other type. That's all. So yeah, now let me get the other type out for you guys. Okay, so here's the new radio. It's from Midnight Performance. I'll leave a link down below for you guys. They do all the stuff that I buy mainly is usually from them guys anyway, but yeah, so here you go. Got all the cabling in here, and then the radios in here. Let me just try, it's all do one-handed, one second. Okay, so here is the unit. Look at that, looks proper OEM. That's what I like about these. So that's gonna look proper legit in there. You're not even gonna be able to tell that like there's been anything changed. Because that's the unit there. And then we get all the cables out. Okay, so here are the cables. You've got obviously your RCA audio ones. You got your wiring harnesses, different types. You know what I really like about this as well? That performance suit one fenders are gone. So yeah, look, you got your ISO cables. I think it's ISO cable, the antenna one. You've got your main harness. We've got GPS, maps. We've got a mic. And you know what's really good with these ones? You get, where's it gone? The other one? You get these little radio keys. So rather than buying your own radio keys, it comes with your radio. You get 4. I can't find, where's it gone? It's all messy, but look, I got 3 here. There'll be 1. Here you go, 4. So you get 4 radio keys, you just put them into each corner, so removal is easy. And on top of that, if you ever want to take out your old one, like you don't have the keys to get out the old one, it comes with it for you. You've also got your canvas decoder. This is so your steering wheel buttons still work, obviously. And then you got a little toolkit, you got tools to take stuff in and out and whatever. It's literally got everything in this. This kit is perfect. And I think they do a reverse camera if you need as well. So yes, let's get this installed into here and get it all done. Piece so that your steering wheel buttons still work. You ain't got to worry about them not working. It's only all makes it all work properly. I think that and an engine not up anyway, just because we have it. Okay. Now with the GPS. The GPS I'm probably going to run down the back. Okay, so what we've done is we've ran one USB through there and popped it out just here, so that way you can put your phone on your mount, have your USB cable running to it, charging it, Apple CarPlay running onto here, or like Android. I think Apple CarPlay might be wireless, but Android Auto or whatever you need basically. Have that connected. This is all ready. Just gotta put the power cable in, check it out, should be good, and then we just fit it in. Just the first boot takes a bit of time. Alright, so the next day, we kind of got the radio working, we kind of didn't. I'll explain it to you guys. We've got the radio in here, but I'll show you the issue with it. We'll turn the car on, because the car's turned on. Hear that? It's like a buzzing sound. Look, I can put the volume down. This is some random thing on the radio anyway. But look, if I just up or down, nothing changes. It's just making this random noise. So we're gonna sort that out. The radio's working otherwise, everything works. Everything's all good, it has CarPlay, has Android Auto, everything, all of that. But that happens. So I need to sort that out. Now that's where this comes in. This adapter I've got from Midnight Performance. Look, it's some like impedance converter thing that isn't there. And then the ISO line it fixes and whatever. So we're gonna plug this in, hopefully it fixes it. We need this because we've got the Bose speakers in this car, the Bose amplifier. So the power requirements and this and that are different and whatever. So you put this in and it should fix it, and you can adjust the levels there as well. So let's see if this works. Okay, so to put it in, obviously you got to take the radio out, which I've already done, and then this fits into your main harness. So it just goes in straight into the main harness, leave everything plugged in, continue like normal basically, and hopefully that should fix the issue. So let me just do that now. We can stuff this all at the back, and now let's hope this fixes it. If this doesn't, then I think I might have a faulty unit I need to just get replaced. Okay, so moment of truth, I've got my phone connected, I've plugged it all in. Let's see if it works. Yep, it's working. Before I get copyrighted. But yeah, now look. That's a good man. Yeah, works good. That's sick, that's sick, that's sick, that's sick. So we've done it, I had the issue, worked it out. It was just literally a simple adapter because of the amplifier issues, that's literally it. I'll leave links down below for the radio and the amplifier like adapter thing, just in case you guys have got the Bose systems. You'll need it for like A4s, A3, A4, any A1s, I think any Audi, I think they'll need them. But okay, that's working now. That's sorted. I'll give you guys a quick rundown of the radio as well. So the radio, I've been using it for the past about 2 days, but obviously without sound. But now we're using it. It's all quite fast, nothing slow on this thing. You have CarPlay, you have Android Auto, you have all your normal stuff and everything. You just got to connect your phone and it'll be all good. It has it wireless as well. Look, one sec. If I go on my phone, I can literally get a wireless Android Auto, which is kind of rare to be fair. But yeah, look, give it a second. You go on to... You see, my phone, no wires into this, and look, you can see it and put it down. Yeah, we literally have no cables to the phone, and you can see, look, no cables in the phone, and that's my phone playing on there wirelessly. And Android Auto, that's a really rare thing. It's usually wired, it's usually CarPlay that's wireless, but this one has wireless Android Auto, and look, it's not laggy at all. I don't know what to show you guys. Look, you can see everything here, not laggy at all. This stuff, go back to the menu, just go click on there, back to normal, go into here, Everything's quick on this radio. It's such a good, I'm actually really surprised at how good it is. You go back there, switch back to Android Auto here. Yeah, you can go back to what you're doing. Everything is a really, really good radio. So I'm very surprised. But yeah, that is the Android radio installed for an A3. That is. And if you got Bose, you have to do that as well now because people have issues with that. But yeah, that's it then. We've got the A3 radio installed. We've sorted out the amplifier issues. We've sorted out this and that. I thought I might need to send the unit back. I had a feeling it was that, but the unit's all good. It's just a needed adapter, I didn't realise. But yeah, that's all sorted now. Everything's ready. Car's going good. And I'm surprised by the amplifier in this thing. The amplifier is very strong. Like, it's really, really good, the amplifier in this. So yeah, if you guys do want to do any of this to your car, I'll leave links down below for the radio. I'll leave links for the adapter if you've got the Bose systems. I'll leave any of the tools maybe required or anything like that. It's quite simple. Taking off your original radio is just them 4 keys. I'll leave a link for the 4 keys, but they do come with the radio as well. You just got to push them in, lock them, and then pull it out. It's very simple. And then putting this one in, again, you put it in like that. The Sony radio that I had, I'll have that up for sale soon. If you guys are interested, if you just want Bluetooth, you don't care about anything else, just gonna use your phone and a holder, you guys can take one of them. It's probably cheaper, I'm guessing, or something. So if you guys do want one of them, hit me up. I'm selling that. Just hit me up on Instagram. My Instagram will be linked down below, and I'll show it on screen somewhere here. That's it then for today. Did quite good with that. Got quite far starting the mods on this car. But yeah, remember to like, comment down below, and subscribe for more content like this. And yeah, thanks for watching.